Welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today's little project is this cute little carrot motif. It's extremely simple to make and you can use any leftover yarn that you have. Let's get right into it. For this project you're going to make a slip knot and you're going to chain 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. This channel is updated weekly with free patterns and tutorials. If you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. Now to work it, you're going to make 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 double crochets. In the next chain, you're going to make 1/2 a double crochet. In the following chain, another 1/2 a double crochet. In the next 2 chain, 1 single crochet each. In the last chain, 1 single crochet, chain 3. So you get the part that way. When you come around into the last chain, make 1 single crochet. I'm going to now hide my tail away at the same time and we're going to work the opposite side of our chain. And you will make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1/2 a double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 4 double crochets in the next chain. Now the sun just disappeared on me. That's 4. You're going to slip stitch into your 3 chain. The 3 chain that you initially made, so it's 1, 2, 3. Let's slip stitch into that. Leave a tail to work in. Cut that part off. And we'll work in the chains last, or if you want to, you can work in the chain stitches, the tail immediately. Into the space that you just made, the last stitch right here on top, insert your hook, change color to green or whatever color you would like to use. This is for the leafy part on top. Once you have your yarn connected, chain 5. You're going to make 1 single crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and you're going to slip stitch to the bottom to the last chain stitch. You're going to repeat this 5 times. So, excuse me, you're going to repeat this a total of 2 more times. So chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook, 1 single crochet in the next 2 chain, slip stitch in the last one, again chain 5, one single crochet in the 2nd chain, and a single crochet in the following 2 chain, a slip stitch at the bottom in the last chain, and you're going to now slip stitch, not in the chain you started in, but in the next stitch. Now I'm just going to work all my tails away. And that's it, all nicely done. If you try this project, or should I say when you try this project, please tag me in your video so I can see what you are up to. Leave a comment. Subscribe for more to come. This is the Queen Phoenix out. I'll get you on the next video and enjoy crocheting.